Hey guys, welcome back to another Ratchet Teardown video. But before we start, could you do me a big favor and like this video? And if you haven't yet, could you consider subscribing to my channel? I'm trying to put up more videos of kind of more rare, offbeat ratchets and kind of a little bit more different mechanisms, usually American-made stuff. So your subscription will help me out a lot, and hit the bell icon also, so you know when my video is about to drop. Okay, today we have a Metcoid USA 3/8 ratchet. Forged in USA. I know that this ratchet is probably gonna look familiar to some of you, but under a different name. That's the profile. It's the switch. It's the oil port. I think it's just drilled and plugged. I don't think it came with an oil plug. I could be wrong. Okay, this might look familiar to some of you because it's comes from the same company that made Craftsman. The Craftsman box head ratchet from the late 40s to the early 50s. He was a half-inch big brother, but it's from the same family of ratchets, just different names. The company that made these was called Moore Drop Forge, and they were making Craftsman ratchets from I think 48 to 56. They made these ratchets for Craftsman, but in between making the ratchets for Craftsman, they also made ratchets for this company, Metcoid. And there isn't much I found on this company except for, hold on. I found this advertising from, if you can see that, it's Motor Age magazine, June 1952. They have this ad for Metcoid. And they sold socket kits and wrenches and stuff like that. Metcoid, the name of the company was Metal Engineering Company from Chicago, Illinois. And right here you can see the 3/8 kit and the stuff that came with this ratchet probably when it was first sold. It's like a few sockets, an extension, a T-bar, and the ratchet. It looks like it came in cardboard boxes. They were probably sold in cardboard boxes. I don't know if some of you are old enough to remember these cardboard boxes with like these metal end pieces. That's what it looks like to me. They connected the corners, these metal end pieces, on cardboard. But this is pretty much the only ad or anything I found on the company. Yeah. I printed it out. It's a little blurry though. See down here. Okay, let's open it up and see what's inside. Push it out. Here's a retention plate. Pretty thick. It's a pretty thick plate. Decent size. And here's the gear. It's pretty coarse. That's the ball detent. It's pretty stiff. And here's the inside of the mechanism. The pole rides on a spring and a ball bearing. It's the pole. The pole's just one tooth. There's the hole for the oil port. Here's the ledge for the retention plate. I'm not going to totally tear this down because I would have to unpin the switch there and knock it out. And something this old and hard to find, I don't think I'll be able, if I break the switch, I'm not sure what it's made of. It's kind of gold tone color, maybe brass, I'm not sure. I wouldn't want to chance it. Excuse me. I wouldn't want to chance and break it, so I'll just leave it at that. But that's how it looks. That's how the engagement looks. The pole and the gear. Okay, put it back together. Just put the plate back on. Put your screws back in. Give it a test. Yeah, working pretty good. Well, there you have it. That's the Metcoid 3/8 ratchet from circa early 50s. Okay, until next time.